guys, it's Taco Tuesday. Today we're gonna make some shrimp tacos, so please stick around and watch this video. First, we're gonna start by making the slaw, and to make the slaw, you're gonna need 1/4 cup of sour cream, and you're gonna need 1/4 cup of real mayo. We're adding our fresh lime juice. You want to add fresh lime juice because this adds a lot of flavor to the tacos. Now we're going to mix this together. See, all done. In this bowl over here, I have some chopped cabbage and I have some onion. And this is half of onion chopped. I'm going to add them to the cabbage. Fresh chopped cilantro. And I'm going to use some jalapeno. And now we're just going to drizzle this over. We're going to mix to combine. And I'm also going to add some salt and pepper. Adding a pinch of salt. Add some black pepper to it. Now we're mixing this well to combine. And you can go ahead and give it a taste and to see what else you could add to it. If you want some more lemon juice, if you want some more jalapeno into it. And now we're just going to put this aside and prepare the shrimp. Our next step is we're going to season the shrimps. I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder. I'm going to use a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. I'm going to use a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to use some paprika. I'm just going to mix this and combine. I'm going to add some oil to the pot, about a tablespoon, and the heat is on medium-low. And now we're going to add our shrimp. And you want to cook these for about 5 to 10 minutes. You want to cook them until they're transparent. They're going to turn pink in color. So once one side is turning pink, you're just going to flip them on the next side. As you can see, they're turning opaque, so now we're going to flip. So after 6 minutes, the shrimps are done. Beautiful, beautiful color. Look at this. Now I'm gonna add some bell peppers. This is orange bell pepper, jalapeno, white bell pepper, and Roma tomato dice. Now we're just gonna saute this. I'm gonna saute this for about 3 minutes. Also gonna add 2 cloves of fresh garlic. And the vegetables absorb that shrimp flavor that was cooked earlier into the pot. So this is smelling amazing. Now we're gonna prepare our avocado. If you're not an avocado fan, you just can skip this part and don't add the avocado. But I love avocado. We're going to scoop this out and dice it up. Now it's time to prepare the tortillas. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil to the pot. And we're just going to warm up our flour tortillas. I'm going to add my Mexican blend cheese so it can melt. You don't have to add cheese if you're not a cheese fan. You can add as much as you like to it. I'm gonna add the slaw. I'm telling you, this slaw is amazing, full of flavor. This taco is bursting with a lot of flavor. Now we're gonna add some avocado on top. You don't have to if you don't like avocado. And we're gonna bend our taco. So I'm gonna make one more for you guys, and this is basically what you wanna do. Add the cheese. You don't have to do it in any specific order. And my hands are clean, by the way. If you like a nice crunch to your tortillas, the longer you make them stay, the crisper they're gonna be. Here you have it, guys, my delicious shrimp taco. If you reached this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and also leave me a comment down below. Oh my goodness. Cheers to Taco Tuesday. And now I'm gonna take a bite. This is so good, so flavorful. Bye guys.